as I've said before, math is the subject that you need to do well in science. And when we're dealing with two unknowns, occasionally some of the books will bring in scientific allusions. And we've seen lately they put some vector problems. Not as much as you're going to get in physics, but an introduction. So I made this one program, Gentle Introduction to Vectors. And we did resolution of vectors, which means if you have two forces pulled on an object, the resolution of the vectors is going to say, what's the net effect? And I put a little mnemonic here. It says, to find the resolution vector, put the tail of one vector to the head of the other and use the scroll bar to move them. So we're going to click this to close. So if we had this center point here and it's being pulled in this direction, and being pulled in this direction, it wouldn't go in the direction of the blue arrow, and it wouldn't go in the direction of the red arrow. It would go more towards the blue because it looks like the stronger force. But if we wanted to find the resolution vector, what we do is we put the head and tail together, and then see the blue and the red. The resolution vector would be this sum, and it's going to be the grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6i. Well, they call the x-axis I and the y-axis j. Negative 6i and plus 1j, check. Because it's see the head of the resolution vector ends at negative 6, 1. And you can actually, over here, you can see how the resolution vector can be gotten without moving it actually. You can just add the two components and you would get this. We win. A new problem. It doesn't take too many of these, but I thought, I remembered from physics, put the head of one on the tail of the other, and so I thought I'd make, since I knew how to do that, I thought I would do it. So we could actually do this. The i's are the x direction and the j's are the y direction. We want to find the resolution vector between 13i minus 8j. That's this red one, 13i minus 8j, and minus 10i. We could see that it's going to be 3i minus 8j, but we can move this vector this way. When they line up, we have the resolution vector is purple, and it's going to be 3i minus 8j. Kind of easy once you see it. And some of the books, though, put a little section about vectors and forces in there, so I just did this one. It wasn't that bad to do, and it gives you a little bit of activity in case vectors show up in your algebra class. But you'll get a whole lot more of it in physics, and they put it in 3 dimensions with I, J, and K. In space, more fun. Hope you enjoy this program. Thanks. Bye.